All right, guys, we got another unboxing. Stay tuned. Hey guys, Brian Haywood here. Welcome back to my Beards and Banjos YouTube channel where we discuss tips and tricks for your beards. We do some product reviews and unboxings like we're doing today. And we've got a beard advice series where you guys can send in a couple of pictures to me to the email address you see below. I take a look at that for a couple of weeks. You get featured in your own beard advice series video. So make sure you check that out if you haven't. And today we're unboxing some products from Dodge City Beard Company. They contacted me and wanted to send me out some products to evaluate and review for you guys. So that's what we're going to be doing. The company's out of Virginia, but Dodge City's in Kansas, so I'm not really sure what's going on, if they're have moved or they just like the Western theme. So I'm not really sure about that, but I like the brown paper packaging that they have here, and then they've got a couple little neat things on it. It's got Santa Fe Express, Fort Dodge, Kansas, ship date 1876, cargo load number 14. It's got a picture of a train on it. They got one more stamp here that says Carson City, Nevada, processed express load priority packaging. So it's pretty neat. They've got the little theme. And if I was good, I'd use my Western accent, but no. I've got enough of an accent without doing that. But anyway, we're going to take a look and see what's in here. Remember right, I don't know what they're sending me. I didn't pick it out or anything. I kind of like getting a surprise. Sometimes the companies like sending either products that's new they want me to feature or something that they think is unique. So that's always kind of cool. I do remember from watching Barbados Joe that they've got their balm. They call it beard salve, I think. So interested to check that out and see if it's just regular beard balm or something a little bit different. So it looks like we've got an oil and a balm, I think, but that's an awfully big can. We'll get to that in a second. I'll drop that. So they've got a nice little business card for that. And I keep dropping things. And let's see what else we got. Nice little handwritten note there. It says, howdy, Brian. Howdy right back to you, partners. It's got yeehaw on it. We're excited to have you try out our wares. We hope it makes you feel like a cowboy. Cool. So let's check this out. See what they sent. So an oil. Saloon Spice Snake Oil. Ooh, I see a picture of the triple X here. So I guess it's like whiskey and tobacco, maybe? I see a pipe on there. That sounds good. Understand our ingredients: grapeseed oil, argan oil, sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, essential oils, fragrance oils. All right. In a bar, you lock eyes with a beautiful woman. You smell like the man of my dreams, she says. And then something, you drunken slur. I don't know what that is. Place 4 to 8 drops in hand, rub in beard, blah, blah, blah. All right. This one's interesting. It's got like a piece of tape around it instead of the little plastic that you pop off, plastic seals. I do like the presentation. Great looking label, clear bottle. I don't get that a lot. A little different here on the way it opens. So opens really easily. Oh, it's got the actual little ring there that you got to separate, like you're opening a bottle of soda. So that's interesting. Let's see what we got. Saloon Spice. Definitely get the tobacco, and I'm a fan of tobacco. I won't put it in my hand yet. Looks like a lighter to medium oil. We'll see in a minute. I want to see what the beard balm is before I start spreading stuff around. This might be a butter. It's awfully big. Beard salve, high noon. So that's a different scent. So that's cool. 2 ounces, but this is a huge 2-ounce tin. All right. Unlike some of the other 2-ounce tins, this one's a whole lot bigger, if you can see that. Okay. And let's see what we've got in it. Shea butter, beeswax, grapeseed oil, sunflower oil, sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, ylang ylang, relieves stress, enhances libido. I don't think I've ever had that in a beard oil or salve. Vitamin E and fragrance oils. So that's something a little bit neat. All right, so it didn't look like it melted, or if it melted, it's reconstituted at this point. Oh, and it doesn't go all the way up. So big 10, but it's maybe about 2/3 of the way full on that. That one smells more cologne-ish. What was it called? This one was called High Noon. I definitely want to try out the Saloon Spice, though. I think I'll prefer that one, but they both smell good. So we have to check out stuff, and we'll try this out for a while to see how it does, see how long the scent lasts, see if it's got extra layers to it and turns into different things as you go throughout the day. That's nice. Sort of like a cigar blend, it smells like to me, because I smell the tobacco, and then maybe the whiskey or something's got a little bit of a sweet note to it. But then also it's got a little bit of peppery, a little bit of bite that you associate sometimes with cigar blend over pipe tobacco for me, even though it's got a picture of a pipe tobacco on it. So that's that one. And then let's see what the consistency is on this beard salve. So it doesn't shake around or anything, but it doesn't look like it's really, really soft. Okay, it comes out. It comes out easily. So it is going to be a kind of a medium hold, light to medium hold, it looks like. Yeah, and that's a little more on the cologne-ish kind of scent. A little cleaner, though. It's kind of like a clean, manly, soapy cologne kind of something or another. But we'll be checking all that out and doing a follow-up review for you in a couple of weeks. All right, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you on the next video.